Now you know the theme of your document, it's time to write the communication purpose statement. This is the document's purpose and helps the reader know why you're writing and what the point of the document is. The reason for writing the document is the document's communication purpose statement. So how do you find the communication purpose statement? All you need to do is use the following prompt. The reason for writing the document is to. In this example, the reason for writing the document is to propose a solution to the current resource shortage in the manufacturing division. Propose is the theme word, and the entire sentence makes up the communication purpose statement. Once you've written the communication purpose statement, you may find the sentence sounds too harsh, impersonal, or direct. In other words, you may want to change the wording to improve readability and tone. For example, you could replace the reason for writing the document is to with I would like to propose a solution to the current resource shortage in the manufacturing division. Or the purpose of the report is to propose a solution to the current resource shortage in the manufacturing division. And here are 4 more examples. This one is to report an incident. This theme is to say sorry. This one is to outline a procedure. And this theme is to request agenda items. So the communication purpose statement is the reason for writing the document is to request agenda items for Wednesday's team meeting. This purpose statement can be rewritten to be, could you please send agenda items for Wednesday's team meeting? This will help me prepare the agenda and ensure the meeting runs smoothly. Adding the reason why you need the agenda items helps with tone and readability. Just one more thing. Don't forget to refer back to the communication purpose statement when you've finished writing your draft and ask yourself, does the document do what it says it's going to do in the communication purpose statement? Or is it accurate? And is it complete, or does the content cover more or less than what was stated in the communication purpose statement? If we treat the subject matter too narrowly and under-communicate, your reader will have unresolved questions. And if the subject matter is treated too broadly and we over-communicate, the result will be a bored and distracted reader who will probably stop reading.